wheel, take a 19mm socket, remove the lug nuts, take the wheel off. All right, I'm gonna spray this down with a little bit of rust penetrant and let it soak. And up here as well. Just make it a little easier to take apart. Now I'm gonna take a 15mm wrench, put it on the nut, and then on the stud, there's an area where you can put a 5mm hex bit or hex socket to prevent the stud from spinning. So put that there. And I'll loosen this up. Also, to prevent the stud from spinning, you can take some locking pliers. Just try to get behind here on the ball and socket. And just try to lock these down. Just like that. All right, and then you can get the nut off. Take the locking pliers off, slide this out. And to get the bottom one off, sometimes you can actually try to rock this. Grab the link. See if you can actually pull it off the ball and socket. And just pop that off, just like that. And then you can get some locking pliers right on the ball part of the socket, and just put the locking pliers right on the ball. Lock it down and take the nut off. Comes off nice and easy. Sometimes it's easier to do it this method than using a wrench and the socket. Take the new link, you can take the nuts off. On the new link, this on the stud side actually has an area where you can put a 14mm wrench. So that'll prevent the stud from spinning. So slide that in there and slide the other one through the sway bar. Then I can take my 14mm wrench, put it there, get the nuts started. I'll get this nut started as well. And tighten it up. And I'll take a torque wrench. I'm going to tighten this nut to 37 foot-pounds. And I'll do the same with the top one. Reinstall the tire. Put the lug nuts on. I'm going to tighten these lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds. And I'm going to tighten them down in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And I'll go around again just to double check.